Good evening here from Denmark. And today I want to talk a little about Buy Me a Coffee. After I have been beginning to use this, many have asked me about what is Buy Me a Coffee. And this we will talk a little about today and see if we can be a little more wise on what this is all about.
CSL.
If you don't know me, my name is Ejnar Hansen, and I am here from CS Live to teach you about new tech by keeping it simple. And if you don't have seen this before, I talk a little about Buy Me a Coffee. Buy Me a Coffee is a concept where people and your community can support you when you make a live stream. And they do it by buying you a coffee, not a real cup of coffee, but it is some kind of support they can make to you. Something is about this. Buy Me a Coffee. This is my address. You can see here. CS Live. It is how it is working. And if you have somebody in a stream who are supporting you and with some kind of amount membership or something like this, then it will look like this on the screen, and it should come up here.
CSL.
And that means you have got some kind of support, and the name of the person will be written here, so everybody can see who it is, and there is some support for you in that way. This is a screen dump about how it is looking like, if there is a name and how much coffee the person has donated to you. The new thing about Buy Me a Coffee 1 week ago, more or less, they introduced for everybody a system called memberships. And now you can make a membership in different price groups and offer people to get something out of the membership of your channel, special videos behind the scenes, and what else is possible for you to give away if you want this. So this is a good thing that it is possible now to make memberships here on Buy Me a Coffee. So this was a little about how it is all about and how it is working. You can make your own signs looking a little like this. I have tried to make my own, but everybody can make something like this if they want to do something extra about it. This was all in this small video. I will make a little test later with this Buy Me a Coffee, so everybody can see how it is working, but it has to be prepared a little more than this small video here. But I have, as said before, somebody have asked me about what it is and how it is working, so I decided to make this little video about it. Now I want to say thank you for watching and thank you for being here. I will be back next time.